group 2 and 3. I'm back for your second story of the day for today's Thursday. Okay, the next one is monkey fear. You should have that. Doing the same thing. We're going to go ahead and read it alone, silently in your class. And then at that point, we'll get two volunteers. Okay, once your volunteers pick, you'll start off in the first sentence, deep in the jungle, and you'll stop at the halfway point. That is, that didn't help his monkey fears. That will be reader number one. Then they'll choose a second reader to take over after that, where they'll start off on the sentence that says he spent most of his day lost in tears, and then finishing it all the way to the end. So go ahead and read it silently now, then read it out loud with your counselors and your classmates. And at that point, we'll go ahead and I'll read it to you guys, and you should answer the questions after you're done with the passage. Okay, so if you can, pause now. Okay, monkey fears. Deep in the jungle where the sun doesn't shine lived a little spider monkey who liked to whine. He had no friends and he couldn't swing well. He was afraid of heights and had no one to tell. Monkeys in the jungle weren't supposed to swing. From branch to branch their bodies would fling. Monkeys lived high at the top of the trees. Every time this monkey climbed, he had shake in his knees. All he could think about was falling. His mother and father told him the ground was soft. That didn't help his monkey fears. He spent most of his day lost in tears. He cried, "Why can't I be like the others?" They listened to the fathers and mothers. One day a new monkey moved next door. She didn't like heights and stayed on the floor. They became best of friends that very day. Together they found their own way. They walked instead of swinging through the trees. They weren't afraid to do as they please. Maybe one day they might conquer their fears. They are stronger with each other, one near. For now, they are happy to walk instead of swinging. They both can be heard around the jungle singing. Okay? So if you've already finished the questions, we keep moving. If you haven't finished the questions, you could pause now and we'll go over the answers together. Okay? So, monkey fear questions. Why didn't the monkey have any friends? He was scared to swing from tree to tree, and that's the main way where monkeys could go ahead. I mean, they are able to walk, but once they're up in the trees, they could walk on a branch, but they can't swing from tree to tree or from branch to branch. So since he had the fear of swinging and falling, he never overcame that. He didn't have any friends because the other monkeys knew what they knew how to swing and left him behind. Okay. Why was the monkey afraid? He was scared of falling. He was scared of falling to the floor and getting injured, even though his parents said it was soft and all the other monkeys weren't scared. He was intimidated and scared by that. And lastly, how did he solve the problem? A female monkey moved next door to him, and at that point, she was also scared of heights and she would walk everywhere. So at that point, they both made the conscious decision to go ahead and walk everywhere. They said maybe one day they'll learn how to go ahead and swing from tree to tree, but pretty much for this point on, they were happy just walking everywhere. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow for Friday. All right, have a great day, and tomorrow will be, fabulous Friday or happy Friday. Bye.